Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. Today we're just going to talk about how do you create a new user again, or if you want to reset the password or something like that of an existing user. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click here on the top right in setup. So just click that button there. Here in home you can see the quick find box, so just type in user, you'll see users in there. So as soon as you click there, just wait for that to load. So this is where we can create new users. If you want to reset the password, you can basically just select whoever you want and click this reset password button, and they will get an email, okay, and then they can reset it. So we want to create a new user. So in here we're just gonna create a new user. Let's just call Alex, and what do we make the last name? Stevenson. And in here we just need to put an email, so let's just put asd@123.com. so obviously you'll probably need to put a real email in there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to fill in the title, company, and all of this other crap, you can. In a role, you can basically select what kind of role you want them to be. So I'm just going to choose CEO, user license, just use it with probably identity, that's probably okay. In profile, normally you'll have more options here like system admin and marketing and all of that stuff, but here we'll just leave it with that because we don't really have any other options right now. And as you can see, you've got like a whole lot of other fields here if you want to fill out any of these, like locale settings, approver settings, and just a whole lot of other stuff. Okay, but we're not going to be too worried about that. So what I'm going to do is click save. Okay, so got a little problem here because that's a duplicate, I think, so just put another one there. Okay, sweet. So we've got our user. So if I click back onto users, now we've got Peter Pan, Jack Smith, and Alex Stevenson. Okay, so one more thing, right? If you want to get rid of a user, you can't actually delete them. There's no delete option. But what you can do is you can deactivate them here. Alright, so if you click on edit, then you can just click on this little active button here, and it gives you this little warning. You say yep, save that, and now that user is deactivated. So that means Alex Stevenson will no longer be able to access this Salesforce instance. Alright, cool. Thanks everyone. Let us know if you got any questions, and make sure to subscribe. Cheers.